65% of my fans are Igbos, not Yoruba. This interview, I will not hide anything. I will so be blunt. I will go deep. Because they've bastardized what people are suffering for. What people like us cry to God to change. And to His grace, He did. But they've changed it back. No, I won't be part of that. I started my career at the age of 10.
10 years.
Yes. I had my first child at 14.
Wow.
What?
I bought my first car at 13. I built my first house 16. And I've been going court here and there, 3 cases in a day when I was 16, 17.
As in like high court?
High court. All because of 65% of my fans are Igbos, not Yoruba. Give us another music, give us new, give us this. I don't just go to studio. I can't go. Look, the atmosphere isn't conducive for me. I don't know what to sing. Latin 1960, láti gbòmìnira, àwa ará ìlú ń kígbe ebi ń pa wá, owó òsì, ọ̀nà wa ò dá, omi wa ò yọ, iná ṣe mọ̀nàmọ́ná, ìwé ò lọ déédé mọ́, a ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wa. Education dey for trouble, make we find solution. Hospital dey for coma, make we find solution. Our people dey run to America. Our people dey run